Guys, we are doing bugtungan dance!
NANI?!
Ang last game natin, magbibigay tayo sa kanila ng aguinaldo. Merry Christmas!
Hi guys, I'm Marian Ga, Filipina assistant nurse here in Japan. And today is Bisperas ng Pasko, December 24, 2024. And I'm working. Nakakamiss talaga sa Pinas. Gusto ko na umuwi. Super na homesick ako. I miss my family, friends, and relatives. Pero naisip ko, hindi pwede arte-arte sa abroad. Kailangan we still choose to be happy and enjoy life. Kaya work na muna now, and later, happy-happy naman.
And guys, work done na! At we need to go home. Makapag-prepare tayo sa ating
Naku, it's so crowded. Ang haba ng pila. Kahit talaga saan, mga Pilipinas, mga abroad, nag-celebrate din ng Christmas. And you know, here in Japan, eating fried chicken, usually from KFC, and enjoying a Christmas cake dessert is a Japanese traditional Christmas meal. Oops, teka, inuutusan lang pala akong bumili ng alak. Yes, I'm home! Tadaima! Our dinner is not chicken, but we choose Japanese food. Fresh talaba, kaki. Yeah, Japanese food kami ngayon kasi tomorrow sa hotel kami magla-lunch. Ay, itadakimasu!
So, ang buhay sa Japan, guys. Kayo-kayo lang. Magmalapraning na lang kayo para masaya. Lumutot. Yuki na naman. Baho! Play music! Alright. We're going to do a bugtungan dance. Okay, Reina first. Daddy! Buddy! Hi, Auto! I'm not Auto! Sige, today, guys, we are doing a bugtungan dance! Jupang! Alright guys, we are doing bugtungan dance! Alright guys, it's gift giving na. Gift for Reyna! Necklace! Necklace! Yan. Parewa, Takumi! Necklace! Necklace! Daddy! Daddy mo meron. It's not a trash. Kaya magsipinyo daw kayo. Ay, Daddy na presento! Daddy, Merry Christmas! Hi, for Reyna! O, di ba meron si Reyna? Wow! Bilis! Puro laway. Ay, ako. Reason. For Takumi! Merry Christmas!
Thank you.
Yay! I hope you like it. Takumi na. Doko?
小銭入れの中になんかお金入ってるかなって言ったら5円入ってました穴開いてるから偽物です
Oh, Jen! Lucky! Reyna, what did you get? Ayan. Yes. Hana no Ana. Alright guys, ang last game natin, magbibigay tayo sa kanila ng aguinaldo worth ichimang yen. Mag-aagawan sila, paagaw natin ito. Tingnan natin kung gaano kamukhang pera mga Japino. Mana-mana lang yan. Okay, paagaw natin itong isang lapad. Malulutong na 1,000 yen. Oh, muna yun.
Merry Christmas!
Are you ready? Stand up! Woo! Wari! Reyna, siguro. Ang galing ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mga buhay ang dugo nila pagka pera. Merry Christmas, everyone! Dalawa na lang sila nagkakalamangan pa or nagdadaga sa mga. Okay. Ja tomorrow na tanishi ministry. Last Christmas I gave you my heart. From Marian Ga in Yokohama, Japan! Ngayon, kami ay kakain sa labas. This is how we celebrate Christmas. Pupunta kami sa hotel. Feeling rich kunyari. Lunch buffet lang naman sa Intercontinental Hotel. Yun yung mga pinag-ipunan natin na hindi tayo bumibili ng obento. Dinner natin tira-tira. Dinadala na lang natin as our lunch pack. Hindi na tayo bibili sa hospital. So, nakapag-ipon tayo ng pera. Kaya tayo kakain ngayon sa hotel, guys. Lunch buffet lang naman. But still, with the family. Okay na to. Ito na yung paraan ko para mag-celebrate ng Christmas. As you know, today is Wednesday. May mga pasok. Meron kaming work. Day off na ako. At alam na ng mga kids ko na ang December 25 is so special to us. So, hindi sila maglalagay ng schedule. Kaya sama-sama kami. Okay? So, join us. Excited ako kasi once in a lifetime lang naman itong mga ganitong okasyon. Let's go! Tagal. Ang tagal nilang umana sa akin. Wow! Dito na tayo sa mga hotels. Ayan na. O, diba? Hi. Merry Christmas! Ayan, dito na tayo. makakatikim na naman ng mga alaga ko sa tiyan ng masarap na food. So, hi rin ito. At sino na mayubay. I'm the owner of Gapa na ka-date ka. Magpagupit na tayo ng buka. Ganda-ganda ng mami mo, oh. Merry Christmas, everybody! I'm just so happy kasi dito kami sa Intercontinental Hotel. So, busog na ako. Ganda tayo, guys! Excited! Oh, guys! Thank you for coming. Ipa-picture muna tayo. Merry Christmas, sir! Oh my God! Look at this! Christmas na talaga. With fruits. Naman ang mga veggies. Alright. Wow! Look at this, guys! Real honey. Appetizer area. Ayan, dito muna tayo kukuha sa appetizer. Oh my God! I love this! Oh my God! Check nyo na ito. Oh my goodness! Mga bread. Kita nyo? Makikita nyo sila dyan. Gumagawa. Oh my goodness! I'm a chef. Wow! Ayan ang kanilang roast beef. Oh my goodness! It tastes good! Ah! Chalap-chalap nila. Karage. Ah, ito yung soup nila. I love this soup. Ito naman ata ang curry. Hash beef with rice. Ayan. Kain na tayo. Ayan guys, lamuna na to. Nalabas na yung pagiging masiba ni Marian. Pa-classy-classy lang. But kakain na tayo na to. Sulitin natin to. Minsan lang to. Day, okay ka lang? Ang aking ano. Wow, babies. Cheers. Merry Christmas, everyone. This is my dessert. Good luck to my sugar. We also serve Finja. This is a very nice ice cream. Very good. My wine is from Italy. My order. Wow, yummy. Oh, yummy. Ayan guys, busog na. We are so full. At super na-enjoy namin ang food dito sa Intercontinental Hotel Lunch Buffet. It was so good. The food was so fabulous and it's so delicious. Ramdam na ramdam mo talaga ang Pasko. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next time on my next vlog. See you. Matalim. Inaantok na ako. I'm sleepy. Busog na si Inday. Merry Christmas from Marianga, Yokohama, Japan. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. And I hope to see you again next time. Here, next vlog. I really love the food here in Intercontinental Hotel Lunch Buffet. The best ever. Grabe, busog na busog guys. That's all for today. Busog na busog si Inday. Let's go. Hey, Reina is our driver today. It's her second time to drive Land Cruiser.
怖い、こんなとこにいろいろ荷物置かないで。
Boss is pek-pek naman yun, Day.
Gum 食べたい。
早くここに置くなよ、荷物。そこに荷物置くなよ。ほら、タバコも吸うな。機嫌悪くしたら怒るぞ。やれよ。
Lakas ng loob nito ni Inday, ah.
ここまで来たよ。
Alright, Reina is the driver. Reina is our driver. Nakakatid. Takumi will go out for a date with his friend. Kaya we'll drop him sa Yokohama Station. Isang araw na ligaya, then tomorrow, kayod na naman. It's okay lang. Basta napapasaya natin at meron pa rin tayong time mag-relax, mag-enjoy, and work hard again. Diba? Ganyan lang naman ang buhay. Let's get in eh. Enjoy! Takumi may date. Pag malalaki na talaga yung mga anak natin, we cannot control them anymore. Marga saying, thank you for always supporting me and God bless you all. Rejoice because our Savior was born. Merry Christmas! Bye! See you at Mata next year. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.